So today's the day we've been laying the Limecrete slab. We've had to fetch the components to site, so that includes a sharp sand, a hydraulic lime and 2 large pan mixers to help us mix the Limecrete. The geocell here is acting not only as an aggregate but as an insulator. So we've laid that on top of a breathable membrane. We've then laid our grid system, then our underfloor heating pipes, which will be connected to the boiler at a later date, and then finally the Limecrete slab, which we're laying today. As you can see here, we start with the sand measured in bucket ratio to the lime. We then add a fibre to that to help bind the product together, and we allow this to mix until it's at the right consistency. Here we are now into the room and laying the actual Limecrete itself. So we've got a laser level there to assist us, and we go along and work our way back, making sure to tamp it and also get it level so the tiler doesn't go mad at us. We're using a Limecrete floor because its main purpose is it's breathable. We wouldn't want to, in this instance, place a concrete floor with a membrane, because that'll just push the moisture to the sides and then that'll then creep up the walls.